Enhancing Financial Data Security in AWS, a guide to Post-IAM policy updates and access control. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Introduction. As cloud computing evolves, so do the security challenges of managing sensitive financial data. AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, has undergone significant updates, making it imperative for organizations to revisit their access control strategies. This podcast explores the implications of these IAM updates on financial data security, the importance of granular access control, and how to craft a restrictive IAM policy that ensures sensitive billing and cost information remain secure. We'll also explore why quick fixes like cost management preferences need more comprehensive protection. The shift in AWS IAM policies, implications for financial data security. Recent updates to AWS IAM have introduced more flexible and granular control over permissions, but with flexibility comes complexity. The shift towards fine-grained access controls can significantly impact securing financial data, particularly billing and cost management information. These updates require a deep understanding of IAM roles, policies, and permissions to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data. Financial data is a prime target for cyber threats, so assessing how these IAM changes affect your organization's security posture is essential. Misconfigurations or overly permissive policies can lead to data breaches, resulting in financial loss and reputational damage. Therefore, it's crucial to ensure that your IAM policies are aligned with the latest best practices in cloud security. The need for granular access control to billing and cost information. Billing and cost information are among the most sensitive data types in an organization's AWS environment. Unauthorized access to this data can provide insights into your organization's financial health and spending patterns and expose potential vulnerabilities in your cloud infrastructure. To mitigate these risks, it's essential to implement granular access controls. This involves restricting access to billing and cost information only to those who need it. Using IAM policies tailored to the needs of different roles within your organization ensures that sensitive financial data is accessible only to authorized personnel. For example, you should grant read-only access to billing information for your finance team while restricting it to other departments. This can be achieved by crafting precise IAM policies that limit access based on job function, ensuring that each user only has the permissions necessary to perform their role. Crafting a restrictive IAM policy. A practical example. Creating a restrictive IAM policy requires a careful approach. Let's walk through a practical example of crafting a policy controlling AWS billing and cost management data access. Step 1. Identify the necessary permissions. Start by identifying which actions must be allowed for users who require billing and cost information access. Everyday actions might include AWS portal view billing. AWS portal view usage. Say get cost and usage. Say get reservation utilization. Step 2. Define the user roles. Determine which user roles in your organization need access to these actions. For example, finance team needs full access to billing and cost reports. Engineering team needs access to usage data but not detailed billing information. Step 3. Craft the IAM policy. Here's an example of a restrictive IAM policy for a finance role. Version: October 17, 2012. Statement. Effect: allow. Action: AWS portal view billing. AWS portal view usage. Say get cost and usage. Say get reservation utilization. Resource. This policy lets the finance team view billing and usage data across all AWS services. A more restrictive policy could be created for other roles, such as engineers, who only need access to specific cost-related data. Going beyond quick fixes, the limitations of cost management preferences. AWS provides options like cost management preferences to help manage access to billing information. While these tools offer some level of control, they often need to provide the comprehensive security that sensitive financial data demands. Cost management preferences allow organizations to set preferences for sharing billing data across accounts. However, they do not offer the same level of granular control as IAM policies. For instance, they cannot enforce role-based access control, RBAC, crucial for minimizing the risk of unauthorized access. Moreover, relying solely on cost management preferences can create a false sense of security. These tools are more about convenience and ease of management than robust security. Organizations must go beyond these quick fixes and invest in carefully crafted IAM policies that provide accurate, granular control over access to financial data. Conclusion. Securing sensitive financial data in AWS requires a proactive approach to IAM policy management. With the recent updates to AWS IAM, it's more important than ever to implement granular access controls and craft restrictive policies tailored to your organization's needs. While cost management preferences can be helpful, they should not be relied upon to protect sensitive financial data. By following best practices in IAM policy creation, you can ensure your financial data remains secure in the cloud. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.